Aloha, everybody. My name's Maria, and what's your name, bud?
Kai.
Kai, and Kai's my assistant today, and we are making my famous taco seasoning. If you look at those ingredients in the Ortega brand at the store, it's corn flour, maltodextrin, bad, sugar, and then come the spices. And ingredients go in list of an order of importance. So we are going to make and teach you how to make our own taco seasoning. And the first thing you need is chili powder. So let's put some chili powder into a bowl. And the exact measurements will be on the video. And then we need cumin. Put some cumin in there. And we need paprika. And you can either use smoked paprika or you can use sweet. We have our salt, our Redmond real salt, free of microplastics. Put that all in there. And we have onion powder. And we have garlic powder. And we have black pepper. And we have oregano. And we have red pepper flakes. Now, if you want to, you can stir that on up, buddy. If you want to, you could add a natural sweetener like Swerve, some sort of erythritol. You can't use a liquid sweetener because that won't work in this, spice mixture. But if you want it to taste just like Ortega brand, you're going to want to add, we have powder everywhere. You're going to want to add a natural sweetener. But this is so delicious. Even my brother-in-law, Todd, he asked for us to send him some. And so we make little gift baskets. With one of the things is our taco seasoning. So I put it in cute jars like this, and I put ribbons around it. So Kai, can we, since it's all mixed now, pour some in here? Use a spoon like that, like this.
I can do it.
I'll show you. I'll just give you an example like that until it's really full. And you could give this to people for Mother's Day. I used to always give food gifts, or I still always give food gifts for Christmas. But when I was in high school, I would make pies, and not the healthified kind of pies. I would make just regular old sugary pies. Okay, that one's full. And I wouldn't bake them. I would freeze them, and then I would put directions on what the temperature and how long you'd have to bake it. And so people could have fresh baked pie as a gift. But now I do healthified gifts, kind of like my taco seasoning or my ranch seasoning. But we love to make chipotle at home. So if you want to, that's probably enough, my friend. If you want to make chipotle at home, check out our other video called Chipotle at Home and see how this is really cute. You just put this little topper on, and we put a little bow around it. And you could say, put a little label what it is. But are you eating it?
It's good.
You're so sweet. Anyway, if you like this video, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and
be notified.
Be notified. Mahalo.